Samguk Yusa, Ancient Joseon. In the Book of Way, it is written, 2,000 years ago, Dangun Wangyam established a nation named Joseon and made Asadal his capital. This coincided with the era of Emperor Yao's reign. The Goki, ancient records records, the Hankook nation existed long ago. Hwanung of Sozebu aspired to save all under heaven and bring deliverance to the human world. Perceiving his son's aspiration, Hwan-in, ruler of Hankook, gazed upon Mt. Senwi and Mt. Tabaksan and deeded both suitable for the fostering weed-reaching benefits for humanity. Hwan-in thus granted his son Hwanung the heavenly emblems and sealed the three treasures, then sent him forth to rule this region. Hwanung led 3,000 people down to the foot of the divine tree on the summit of Mount Tabaksan. He named this place Sensi Divine City, and he was called Heavenly Emperor Hwanung. Hwanung led the Pungbak, Yusa, and Unsa, as well as the ministers of agriculture, imperial decrees, law, health, and morality. In overseeing more than 360 realms of human affairs, he ruled and enlightened the people of the world with the truth of spirit teaching. During this period, the Bear clan and Tiger clan, who lived in the same region, continually beseeched the divine Hwanung to change them into human beings. In response, Hwanung gave them divine items, which were a bundle of mugwort and 20 cloves of garlic, and he commanded, "Eat these and avoid the sunlight for 100 days. If you do, you will become ideal human." The Bear clan and Tiger clan disciplined themselves for 3 7-day periods spanning 21 days, consuming only the mugwort and garlic. The Bear clan members became ideal women. But the Tiger clan failed to comply with the precepts and did not attain ideal human form. Thereafter, a woman of the Bear clan, lacking any ideal man to marry, came to the foot of the divine tree daily and prayed to be blessed with a baby. Hence, Hwanung granted her provisional acceptance into the Han people, married her, and begot with her a son, Dangun Wangyam. Great Korea Scripture. Samguk Yusa, Ancient Joseon.